हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सबके अपने चैनल बैंकिंग 2.0 में स्वागत है। तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर कर दीजिए फ्रेंड। तो आप लोग को बता दूं कि बैंक ऑफ इंडिया भी प्राइवेटाइजेशन की ओर जा रही है। आप लोग देख सकते हैं, बैंक ऑफ इंडिया अमंग 4 बैंक शॉर्टलिस्ट फॉर दी पोटेंशियल प्राइवेटाइजेशन रिपोर्ट। तो आप लोग देख सकते हैं। तो आगे पढ़ते हैं। चलिए मैं आगे पढ़ के आपको बता देता हूँ। द अदर 3 बैंक शॉर्टलिस्ट the other bank the other 3 bank on the shortlist are the Bank of Maharashtra, Indian Overseas Bank and Central Bank of India. According to a report, the government is considering mid-size to a small bank for its first round of privatization to the test the water. India government has shortlisted for the mid-sized state-run bank for privatization under the new push to sell state asset and shore up government revenue. Three government sources said privatization of the banking sector, which is dominated by the state-run beach month with hundreds of thousands of employees, is politically risky because it could put jobs at risk. But Prime Minister Narendra Modi administration aims to make start with second tier bank. The 4 banks on the shortlist are Bank of Maharashtra, Bank of India, Indian Overseas Bank, and the Central Bank of India. Two officials told returns on condition of anonymity as the matter is not yet public. Two of those banks will be selected for the sale in 2021-2022 financial year, which begins in April. The official said the shortlist has not previously been reported. The government is considering mid-sized to small bank for its first round of privatization to the test of the water in the coming year. Could also look at some of the country bigger bank. The official said the government, however, will continue to hold as majority stake in India's largest lender, State Bank of India, which is seen the strategic bank for the implementing initiative such as the expanding rural credit. A finance minister spokesman declined to comment on the matter. India, the best economic construction on record, cloud by the pandemic, is driving the push for bolder reform. Economics says New Delhi also the want to overhaul a banking sector relying under a heavy load of non-performing assets, which are the likely to risk further once banks are the allowed to categorize loans. The sources during the pandemic as bad. Modi official instantly wanted for bank to be put up for sale in the coming fiscal year, but officials have advised caution, fearing resistance from union representing the employee. Bank of India has workforce of about 50,000 and Central Bank of India has 30,000 staff. Will Indian Overseas Bank employ 26,000 and Bank of India Maharashtra has been about 30,000 employees according to estimate for Bank Union Bank of Maharashtra. Small force could make it easier to privatize and therefore potentially one of the first to be sold. The sources said on Monday workers started a 2 day strike opposing the government move to privatize bank and sell stake in insurance and the other companies. The actual privatization process may be take 5 6 months to start. One of the government sources said factors like number of employees, pressure of the trade union and political repercussion would impact a final decision. The source said nothing that the privatization of the particular bank could be subject to change at the last moment due to these factors. The government hopes that the Reserve Bank of India, the country banking regulator, will soon ease lending restriction of Indian Overseas Bank after an improvement in the lender's finance that could help it sell. Some economics said there could be a few takers for weak and small banks saddled with bad assets, but that Modi should consider the sale of bigger banks like Punjab National Bank or Bank of Baroda. The sale of a small bank was unlikely to help the government. They said much in the way of resources for budget spending. They said the government should consider with what gives it a better pricing without compromising its long-term goal of financial degrowing. Indian Indian economy, said Devendra Pant, chief economist at India Rating in the India arm of Fitch Rating Agency. तो आप लोग देख सकते हैं। तो आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर कर दीजिएगा फ्रेंड्स। तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में कुछ नए क्वेश्चन के साथ। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, हैव अ नाइस डे, ऑल द बेस्ट।